Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you know your home air can be 5 times more polluted than the air outside? But guess what? The solution is green, beautiful and totally natural. In today's video, I am going to show you the best air purifying indoor plants that not only make your space look stunning but also clean the air you breathe every single day. So if you want a home that feels fresher, healthier and more alive, stay tuned till the end. Today's first plant is Golden Age Snake Plant. This plant is exceptional for improving indoor air quality. Studies show snake plants can remove toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, toluene and CO2 even during the night thanks to their CAM system. Because the golden border variety matches that hardiness and air cleaning capacity with striking foliage, it wins on both function and style. It purifies and add visual interest. This golden border snake plant is one of the most popular air purifying indoor plants because it combines striking looks with incredible resilience. It prefers bright indirect sunlight to keep its beautiful golden yellow leaf edge vibrant, though it can survive well in low light areas such as bedrooms or offices. Direct harsh sunlight should be avoided to prevent leaf burn. The plant requires very little water once every 2 to 4 weeks is usually enough, and the soil should always dry out completely before watering again to avoid root rot. It thrives best in a well-draining mix like cactus or succulent soil and must be planted in a pot with proper drainage holes. Terracotta pots are often ideal since they allow excess moisture to evaporate. The golden border snake plant grows comfortably in normal indoor temperatures between 15 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius and doesn't require special humidity level. Fertilizing lightly once in spring and once in summer with a diluted balanced fertilizer is more than enough to keep it healthy. Repotting is rarely needed since the plant prefers being slightly root bound, and propagation can be done easily through leaf cutting or by dividing the root clump. Though it is mildly toxic if ingested, it's perfectly safe when placed out of reach of pets or children. With its upright, sword-like leaves edges in gold, this plant adds an elegant modern touch to any room while purifying the air naturally even at night. In India, the golden border snake plant is quite affordable with price typically ranging from 200 to 500 for a small to medium sized plant, with larger decorative potted version can cost up to 1000 or more depending on size, pot design and seller. Next plant is the Aloe Vera plant. Is considered one of the best air purifying plants because it is not only filters harmful toxins from the air but also offers powerful medicinal and skincare benefits. It efficiently removes formaldehyde and benzene, two common indoor air pollutants often found in paints, cleaning agent and plastics. At the same time, aloe vera continuously releases oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide even at night, improving the quality of air while you sleep. Its fleshy green leaves store a clear gel rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes, which has been used for heal skin burns, scars, and irritation. This dual role of purifying your home and nurturing your skin makes aloe vera a truly remarkable and multi-purpose houseplant that brings both health and beauty into your living space. The aloe vera plant thrives best in bright, indirect sunlight and can also handle a few hours of gentle morning sun each day. However, harsh afternoon sunlight can scorch its leaves, so a spot near a window with filtered light is ideal. It prefers warm conditions, growing comfortably between 18 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and should be protected from frost or very cold air. Watering needs are minimal. Aloe vera stores water in its thick leaves, so it should only be watered when the top 2 to 3 inches of soil are completely dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is the most common mistake. Use a well-draining cactus or succulent potting mix in a container with drainage holes and allow excess water to escape freely. A terracotta pot works beautifully as it helps absorb extra moisture. The plant doesn't demand much fertilizer. Feeding it lightly once or twice during the growing season is enough. Repotting every 2 to 3 years helps refresh the soil and allows for offsets, which can be easily propagated into new plants. Aloe vera is generally non-toxic to humans but can be mildly toxic if pets chew on the leaves. Its upright plum green foliage with a soft shine adds a natural freshness to any room while doubling as a mini skincare companion. In India, aloe vera plants are quite affordable, typically priced between 100 and 400 for small to medium pots, while larger decorative or mature plants can range from 600 to 1000 depending on the nursery size and pot quality. Next is rubber plant. Is often ranked among the best air purifying indoor plants because of its exceptional ability to remove harmful toxins like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide from indoor air. Its large glossy leaves not only absorb pollutants efficiently but also release a high amount of oxygen, making your surroundings fresher and more breathable. What sets the rubber plants apart is its strength and bold appearance. It has thick dark green leaves that add a sense of depth and sophistication to any room. NASA's clean air studies have also highlighted the rubber plant as one of the most effective plants for improving indoor air quality, especially in homes with limited ventilation. It is a perfect balance of beauty and functionality, symbolizing good fortune, abundance, and natural purification in modern interiors. The rubber plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight and thrives best when placed near a window where it receives filtered light throughout the day. Too much direct sunlight can scorch its broad leaves, while too little light can cause leaf drop or slow growth. It enjoys moderate watering once every 7 to 10 days is generally enough, allowing the top layer of soil to dry before watering again. Overwatering should be avoided as it can lead to root rot. A well-draining potting mix ideally containing garden soil, coco peat and perlite keeps the roots healthy. This plant enjoys warm conditions between 18 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius, and normal household humidity suits it perfectly, though occasional misting keeps the leaves shiny and fresh. Wiping the leaves once a week helps remove dust and enhances their deep glossy look. Fertilize lightly once a month during spring and summer to support growth and reduce feeding in winter. The rubber plant can grow quite tall indoors, so occasional pruning helps maintain shape and size. Wild cutting can be propagated easily in water or soil. It is mildly toxic if ingested, so keeping it away from pets or children is advisable. Known for its elegant appearance and low maintenance nature, the rubber plant instantly elevates the decor of any space while silently cleansing the air around you. In India, rubber plants are easily available at prices ranging from 300 to 800 for small to medium potted plants, while larger variety sometimes can cost between 900 to 1500 depending on size and sources. Next plant is Dracaena Fragrans, commonly known as the corn plant, is widely praised as one of the best air purifying plants because of its powerful ability to filter harmful indoor toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Recognized by NASA's Clean Air study, this plant can significantly improve indoor air quality while maintaining a calm tropical appearance that complements any home or office. Its long green leaves, often striped with shades of lime or yellow, create a soothing natural presence. Beyond its air cleansing benefits, Dracaena Fragrans is also known for reducing stress, enhancing humidity, and promoting better breathing, making it an ideal plant for bedrooms, living rooms, and workspaces. Its slow growth, easy adaptability, and elegant foliage make it both a decorative statement and a natural purifier that silently refreshes your surroundings. The Dracaena fragrance thrives best in bright, indirect light but can tolerate partial shade, which makes it perfectly for indoor environments with limited sunlight. Direct hard sun should be avoided as it can burn the leaf tips. Watering should be moderate, typically once a week, allowing the top inch of soil to dry before watering again. Overwatering or waterlogging can cause yellowing leaves or root rot. So, a well-draining potting mix with good aeration is essential. The plant enjoys warm temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius and prefers moderate humidity, though it adjusts easily to normal indoor conditions. Cleaning the leaves occasionally with a soft damp cloth helps them breathe and stay glossy. Fertilizing once a month during spring and summer with a mild balanced houseplant fertilizer supports healthy growth. Dracaena Fragrans rarely needs repotting. Every 2 to 3 years is sufficient. Propagation can be done through stem cutting, and trimming older leaves keeps the plant looking fresh. Though mildly toxic, if ingested by pets, it is completely safe as an ornamental houseplant when placed out of reach. With its lush, tropical charm and proven purifying qualities, the Dracaena fragrance is a wonderful choice for those seeking a graceful yet low-maintenance indoor plant. In India, Dracaena fragrance plants are easily available online and in local nurseries, with prices typically ranging from 300 to 700 for small or medium pots, while larger or variegated varieties may cost up to 1000 to 1500 depending on size, color pattern and pot design. Next plant is Calathea Vittata. Is regarded as one of the most beautiful and effective air purifying indoor plants, admired for both its aesthetic appeal and its ability to cleanse indoor air naturally. It removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene while releasing fresh oxygen, making your living space cleaner and more refreshing. What truly makes the Calathea stand out is its stunning foliage. Each dark green leaf is artistically painted with delicate white stripes and that almost look hand-drawn, giving the plant a sophisticated tropical elegance. As a member of the prayer plant family, its leaves move gently upward at night and open again during the day, symbolizing calmness and natural rhythm. Beyond its air purifying quality, this plant helps in maintaining indoor humidity and brings a sense of serenity and lush greenery to bedrooms, offices, or living rooms, perfect for anyone who loves nature-inspired decor. The Calathea thrives best in bright, indirect light or filtered sunlight. Direct sunlight should be avoided as it can fade the leaf patterns or cause the edges to brown. It prefers a warm and humid environment, ideally between 18 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Similar to its tropical origins, consistent moisture is important, but the soil should never be soggy. Water only when the top layer feels slightly dry, using room temperature non-chlorinated water if possible. The plant loves humidity, so occasional misting or placing it near a humidifier helps it stay vibrant. A well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter works best, and the pot should have proper drainage holes. Wiping the leaves gently keeps them clean and allows better photosynthesis. Fertilizing once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season with a mild balanced fertilizer supports its lush growth while reducing feeding in winter. Calathea is non-toxic and pet-friendly, making it safe for homes with cats or dogs, though slightly more sensitive than hardy plants like snake or rubber plants. It rewards gentle care with stunning foliage and natural air purification. In India, Calathea Vittata plants are moderately priced, usually between 400 and 800 for small to medium pots, while larger decorative or imported varieties can range from 900 to 1500 depending on size and nursery quality. Next plant is Dracaena plant. Is celebrated as one of the best air purifying indoor plants because of its impressive ability to remove common household toxins like xylene, toluene and formaldehyde from the air. Its large, broad leaves act as natural filters, absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen to create a fresher and healthier indoor atmosphere. Beyond its air cleansing benefits, the Dracaena stands out for its striking foliage image. Its leaves are beautifully variegated with patterns of cream, yellow and green, giving it a tropical and elegant appeal that instantly brightens any room. It's a favorite among home decorators because of its large, full growth and sculpture appearance, making it both a functional and aesthetic addition to modern interiors. Although it's called dumpkin due to the plant's sap causing temporary speech loss if ingested, it's perfectly safe as an ornamental indoor plant when handled and placed properly. The dumpkin plant thrives best in bright, indirect light, which helps maintain its vibrant variegation. But it can also tolerate partial shade. Direct harsh sunlight should be avoided as it may scorch the delicate leaves. It prefers moderate watering. The soil should be kept slightly moist but never waterlogged. Watering once every 7 to 10 days is sufficient, allowing the top inch of soil to dry before watering again. A well-draining potting mix rich in peat and perlite is ideal for this plant. The dumpkin enjoys warm temperature between 18 to 30 degrees Celsius and appreciates moderate to high humidity, similar to its tropical habitat. Misting the leaves occasionally helps maintain freshness and prevent dryness. It benefits from monthly feeding with a diluted liquid fertilizer during the growing seasons of spring and summer, while no fertilization is needed in winter. Wiping the large leaves regularly keeps them glossy and helps the plant breathe better. As a fast-growing indoor plant, occasional pruning helps control height and shape, and it can be easily propagated through stem cuttings. However, since the sap is middle toxic, it's best to keep the plant away from pets and small children. With its vibrant variegated leaves, easy care routine, and proven air purifying abilities, the dumpkin is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a bold yet low maintenance indoor plant. In India, dumpkin plants are widely available at prices ranging from 300 to 700 for small to medium pots, while larger or rare variegated varieties can cost between 800 and 1500 depending on size and source. So that's it for today's video. All these air purifying plants, from the classic snake plant and aloe vera to the stunning rubber plant Dracaena, Calathea and dumpkin, are not just beautiful to look at, they actually make your home healthier and fresher every single day. They remove toxins, add oxygen and bring a calm, natural vibe to any space. So if you don't have, please bring home one of these green beauties and feel the difference yourself. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share it with your plant loving friends. See you in the next video.